Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. It's Courtney, and guess what? It's giveaway time. I am so excited, guys. I cannot believe that we made it to 500 so quickly, y'all. Oh my goodness. I am just blown away. And so anyways, here's the giveaway announcement. So we have our little tracker here. We're gonna fill in 2 more of these guys. We officially made it to 500. So I have little notes here on the side because I didn't want to forget anything. Especially my brain gets just overwhelmed and I forget what I'm trying to say or what I was planning on saying. So I just wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers who are here. If you haven't said hi yet, let me know in the comments that you're new here. I would love to say hi, get to know you a little bit. And I also just wanted to say thank you to the people in the budgeting community who have supported me since, really my first month on YouTube. So Ange is a big contributor to my initial growth, because she like shouted me out one time on like a Find a Friend Friday that she does, and I got a whole flood of people from that. So thank you so much for that. Hold on, my cats are playing around my camera stand. Really, it's just a lamp, and I have a little like hook claw thing, but I don't want them to shake the camera, so I'm gonna try to. Guys, can you go play somewhere else, please? Go play somewhere else. Anyways, if the camera shakes, that's why. But anyway, so Ange gave me a shout out at the very beginning, and that really boosted my channel. And then I was able to join a collaboration that Autumn at Restoration by Autumn was hosting. Basically, like, she made the seasonal showdown collab that y'all have seen me play, and reached out and said who wants to collab, and I was like, I would like to, as my first collaboration. And I was so excited and like kind of nervous. I wasn't sure what to do, but just very thankful that I got to be a part of that, or I'm still a part of it, but that she, did that and opened it up to really whoever wanted to collaborate with her, because that just helped as well, like get my channel name out there and everything. For everyone who has used my challenges, thank you all so much for giving me shout outs and using my challenges, and just getting my channel name out there for people to see. And for those of you who are consistent watchers and commenters, anybody who is just coming to my channel and showing their support in that way, all of that really helps my channel. So I really just wanted to thank you all so much. And yeah, we are at 510. So it's officially giveaway time. Yay! I was so excited because I didn't want to wait too long to like send these out to you guys. So if you didn't see this in my other video the other day, this is what I will be making. It's personalized. So it will have your name in foiled letters right here. This is holographic foil. I bought some new like thicker cardstock, so I'm going to use that so that it's a little bit more sturdy. And I am waiting on more of these stickers to come in, but hopefully they will get here at the beginning or the end of this week. And so yeah, so this is what I'll be sending y'all. And I am also going to include a couple other things. I'm not quite sure what that will be yet, but I kind of want it to be a surprise. So this is the main item though. And yeah, I hope y'all like it. I also will probably be posting this in my Etsy after the giveaway ends. For those of you who didn't, who entered and did not receive it, you can get it in my Etsy. And if you are part of my channel, or I'll post a discount code on my community tab for anybody who's a part of the YouTube channel. Y'all can get it for like a little discount, my YouTube friends. So yeah, so that's what it will be. Now this is my very first giveaway, so I'm hoping that I get all of this right, but please be patient with me if I don't. Um, I'm learning the ropes. So I know that you need to be publicly subscribed, and that's like a YouTube thing. For some reason, if you're not publicly subscribed, it's I don't know exactly why. If anybody knows why, let me know in the comments. Um, you need to be 18 years or older, and that's just so that I can actually send you the thing, get your address and your information. You need to be willing to share your address with me, so I can send this out to you. And 10 people will be getting one of these. So comment bunny in this video, and I will use like the comment picker to choose my 10 people. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna have this open for a week, and that way it'll give people a chance to see this video, to make sure that they are publicly subscribed and everything. And next week I will announce the winners. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, so that is that. I also will be posting a freebie on Ko-fi for 500 subscribers, so stay tuned for that, coming soon, hopefully. I haven't even made it yet, guys. I've been overwhelmed with I had people ordering from my shop from this community, which has been so great and fun, and just working on those orders. And so I haven't even thought about the freebie yet, but I will work on that and I'll get that posted soon. And then I just wanted to leave this video off by saying, if you have been hesitant to start out on your journey, whether that is a cash budgeting journey or creating your own content for YouTube, I just want to encourage you to start, because what's the worst that could happen? I started on a whim, really, which is how I function in a lot of my life. I have ADD. Oh my goodness, my cats. Oh my goodness, sorry guys, my cats are going crazy. But anyways, I started, like I do a lot of things in life, just spontaneously, and thought I would just have fun with it. But I never imagined that, like, I thought it would be like a couple years and maybe I would have this amount of subscribers that I have right now. Not like 3 months. I think I started in November, December, January. Oh my goodness. Yeah. 3 months. Unbelievable. Like, I really never imagined that this is how it would be. So, start now, and you never know what could happen. And even if I didn't have 500 subscribers, I am just having the time of my life. I've been so excited to make this content, even if it was just for the people who were following me at the very beginning. 50 people, 100 people. I love making this content. It's enjoyable for me to create things, let my creative energy out. And I don't know, it's like I get to talk to people and share about my life and have fun with y'all. And so anyways, I just want to encourage you. I also am planning on making some tutorials. So I wanted y'all's feedback about what would be most helpful. I thought I could make something on how to start creating videos, like filming and recording and stuff like that. I could do something on like editing videos, like the basics or the more advanced stuff. I'm not like super advanced, but I've always loved tech, and I've been making videos and content privately or like on other platforms and stuff since I was in high school. So I just really love technology, and I'm currently in my degree. I'm getting an a specialist degree in instructional technology. So it is like a part of my everyday life. And I also enjoy it. So I have, I think, a few good tips and tricks to give you guys, especially if you're new or just not as comfortable with technology, I might have something that might be helpful for you. So I could also do something on how to create challenges in Canva, like just basic stuff, like little tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way since, I mean, I've used Canva forever to create stuff for my classroom and all that. But I'm a teacher at heart, guys, so I love teaching people new things. So let me know what of these sounds most helpful to you, if anything. So anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you all so much. I hope y'all have a great, what is today? Monday. Sorry, I'm all thrown off. Okay, it's Monday. I hope y'all have a great Monday. I hope y'all stay safe and warm. It's so cold here. I don't know if y'all can hear my little space heater in the background. And if you've made it to the end of this video, send me a little chick in like the eggshell emoji to let me know that you're here till the end. And I appreciate you all so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.